Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be covering how to save your plugin settings within the program and just some basics about that so you understand how it works. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we're back in the program here, now before we carry on with some of these other features, we just have to cover quickly the saving and how that works so you guys understand it. So now you can obviously export your things to the actual cutter, but we're not referring to that right now. We're referring to the actual saving of the settings. So if I had to have custom settings set up for a job, I'm just going to make a quick one without setting up. We can see we've got the container here. Now the great part about this plugin is it actually saves it according to your document. So you can have multiple documents with different projects, and then each job is saved to it. So if we had to go File, Save, then let me close this one up, and then we open it again. We're going to File, Open Recent, and then choose that document. Now as we can see on our container or on our toolpaths here, we've got the current setup still saved. So you can obviously do multiple ones here, or if you want to try different projects or different types, you can always take your same project, save it again, set up another container type, and then for testing. But like I said, the great part is it saves it to your actual Corel document. So in future you can just open it and you've got all your settings ready. You don't have to customly save it or export it first on your plugin. But yeah, so that is it on saving your cutting plugin. It is pretty simple. I love the way they've created it because it keeps your workflow nice and simple. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys all notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the me form, and then we'll do our best to make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.